Now let's have a quick recap of whatever we have learned. The first one is regarding complement, intersection and union. Two sets are taken, A and B. So A and B be subsets of the universal set E. You can take in place of E, you can take U also. So A and B are two subsets and which are taken from the universal set E. How is A complement written? In this way. A to the power C is the set of all the elements of E that are not in A. Intersection is the set of elements belonging to A and to B. Union is set of all the elements belonging to A or to B. In mathematics, the word or always remains and or, so all the elements that are both in sets are in the union. In union case, we said that the word or is used and both is used. And if the sets are disjoint, it means that it has no elements in common. So in that case, we will say A intersection B is equals to phi. Phi, you know, it's called a null set. A set which has no elements is called a null set. So if none of the elements are in common with each other, so will that set exist? No. So A intersection B will be considered as phi in that case. Few more recapitulations. Venn diagrams with complements, union and intersection. So sets are represented by Venn diagrams by circles drawn inside a rectangle representing universal set. So when circles are drawn inside rectangles, it represents a Venn diagram. Okay? And this is the universal set E or U, whatever you can write. And inside circle, it represents the respective set. The region outside the circle represents complement. That means this much part. This part which is leaving the circle, this much part is present. So this part is actually the complement of the circle. The overlapping region of two circles represents intersection of the two sets. If you draw two circles where they are overlapping, this will be called intersection of the two sets. Two circles together represents union of the two sets. When you talk about the entire part covered by the two circle, it will be union of the two sets. Two sets are disjoint, then we can draw the two circles without any overlap. If you draw two circles separately, it means they are non-overlapping circles or disjoint circles. When one set is a subset of the other, we draw the circle inside the other circle. This is the case of subset. If I say the bigger circle as A, smaller as B, then we will say that B is a subset of A. That is, B is contained in A. We can draw the circle inside the circle of the other set. Now, till now we have dealt with two sets. If question of three set comes, so how will be the Venn diagram of three sets? So here, look, the universal set is represented as U, and here three sets are taken, A, B and C. So what will be this much part? This is the intersection part of A and B, so it's written A intersection B. This much part will be the intersection part of A and C, so it's written A intersection C. This much part will be the intersection part of B and C, so it will be B intersection C. And what about this much part? Look, this much part is common for all the three sets A, B and C. So this much part will be A intersection B intersection C. And what will be the whole part? If you talk about the whole part, this will be A union B union C. Can you tell me what will be this much part? This remaining part, what can be the name of this much part? If this is U, the inside part is A union B union C. So what will be the remaining part? It will be the complement of A union B union C. Yes or no? It could be. So here the rest of the part is named as A union B, union C, whole dashed. So this is the remaining part. So therefore, in this way, when 3 sets are there, you can easily find out by this how to calculate A intersection B or B intersection C. When we will do the sums, then you will understand more clearly.